The window zoom feature is a neat way to only zoom in on a portion of your screen, and it's almost like having a built-in magnifying glass in your phone screen. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up and start using it. For more details and a written description of things covered in this video, check out the description box below after watching. When I first slowly started to lose my vision, I found the window zoom feature very helpful, and I think any Zoom user should know about these cool features. The quickest way to activate this feature is by first asking Siri to open accessibility settings. From there, you want to select the second option in the vision category, which is zoom. At the very top, you're going to want to make sure zoom is turned on, and then go down and select zoom region and then window zoom. Window zoom uses the same zoom gestures where you will double tap with 3 fingers to zoom in, double tap and drag your 3 fingers up and down to be able to zoom in and out, and then tap and drag your 3 fingers to be able to move around. By using window zoom, you can move the zoom region around by touching and dragging the bottom middle of the zoom region box. To adjust the size of the window, you can triple tap with 3 fingers, click the middle option that says resize lens, and then drag any of the sides to resize it however you want. Now adjust the window to how you like and start testing out this feature to see how it can best help you. If you want to learn how to magnify your entire screen or make your text bigger and easier to see, check out one of these videos here.